just stopped by to let you know that it is okay to make mistakes sometimes. It is okay to feel uncomfortable. It is okay to feel unsure. It is okay to fail sometimes. What is important is that when you are uncomfortable, when you are unsure, when you make mistakes, when you fail, you don't give up. Remember, fortune favors the brave. So get up, be brave, keep moving, and never give up, because you are gifted. Guys, thank you for watching my videos. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Nakia McInnis. Follow me on Twitter, Instagram, and don't forget to check out my book, My True Inspirational Story, A Sister's Pain by Nakia McInnis. This book will transform the life of anyone, whether successful or aiming for success. This book is a life-transforming book. It's a detailed account of my true story. It will make you cry. It will make you laugh. It will make you act. It will make you think twice, but it will definitely change your life. It is on Amazon, A Sister's Pain by Nakia McInnis. Thank you.